What's up guys? In today's video we are playing a game of 3-point domination. I set myself the goal of stopping the enemies from being able to flank my team. I have one group of enemy players who are very determined to take me out. However, little do they know, they will keep walking straight into their deaths. I am equipped with my invisible stalker Ghillie suit and my Silverback SRS A2 for this mission. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
They're over that side.
Unfortunately I was taken out in the end. They took a while to clock my position because of my ghillie and my silent sniper. If you guys have any questions about my ghillie suit or my sniper rifles, be sure to leave a comment. Anyway, that's all for this video. Please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and hit the notifications icon for more future videos. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all again in the next one.